Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to trim your natural ends. So first you're going to need a pair of hair scissors, not kitchen scissors, not craft scissors, some hair scissors. Okay, so now we're going to tightly twist already detangled hair. From there we're going to try to identify split ends basically. So to identify split end, it looks very damaged, it looks strung out, it looks like it's gonna fall out. It's just very thin and brittle. So when you see the ends of your hair looking brittle, the hair's gotta go. It's time to go. Cut it off. So that's what I did here, and we're gonna do that to the rest of our head until we have a nice little even head full of hair, healthy hair. Oh yes, and be careful because I almost cut off a couple of my fingers throughout this entire process, so you know you really got to pay attention to like what you're doing. But other than that, yeah, just keep a steady hand and don't get too scissor happy unless you're like me. I don't mind getting scissor happy. I regret it later when it's like nothing I can do, so whatever. But yeah, I usually just get the scissors and just start going crazy. Don't be like me. Just only take off the necessary damaged hair. So you're just going to continue doing this to your entire head, and when you're finished you should have even healthy hair. And you know, sometimes you can't get all of the little strands, so if you have to, go back one by one and do the sections that you feel like you missed. But other than that, you're good, girl. It's also beneficial for you to do this every couple months because it helps hair growth and it just leaves your hair just looking good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something from it, or I hope I honestly explained it correctly, and I hope it can help somebody else. Please subscribe and like and share this video.